This is a public service announcement for anyone that's got axle stands. I've only got 2 in my collection so far, but I am after some big boys because these are too small for this. But I've had these 3 years and I have only just found out about this special feature. Now I'm just about to show you. I want you to be honest with me in the comments. Did you know about this or not? I can't tell you the amount of times I go to pick this up and I grab it here and that just comes out, and these always end up separate. I need to find them. So go and get your axle stands and tell me if you've got that little bit there. Guess what that's bloody for? If you get this and slot it in, grab a hammer and something like this, lay this down, get your hammer and your punch or rebar, hit that tab down. And now it's together. I can't believe it. Did we not read instructions?